All right, so in here we're going to do a couple of quick computations for getting the deviations, that is the standard deviations, using the calculator because the, well, stuff with going by hand is clunkier than it needs to be. Anyway, similar to what we had before, stat, edit, put in our values here, 70 in this case, 69, 68, and 65 for the precedence, 65, not just 6. Then stat again, calc, one var stats. If you have this menu, keep it as is. If you don't, go through the steps I had before. It still works the same way. Hit calculate, and we get here our value of 2.16. Where people who have taken stats before should know that this sigma thing is a different kind of standard deviation, but for this class we're not going to worry about the population parameter there that much. Just know that we get our value 2.16 as we like. Meanwhile, if we want to get the values down here, 7.5 and 2.8 from the batteries, we can go back in here, and this is an important thing to know how to do to clear out our lists. You go up to the list heading, the name right there, hit clear, and then enter. If you hit delete, you'll remove the entire list from the calculator, and you can put that back in a different way, but it's easier to just hit clear and enter, keep the list exactly as you want it to be. So for our first battery, we'd have 4, 24, 20, 12, 16, and 8, where again, stat, calculate, one var stats, list 1, run it, and we get the value there, 7.5, as we were supposed to. Then for the second battery, same thing, we go stat, edit, up, clear, enter, then put in the numbers, 14, 18, 12, 14, 16, and 10. Thankfully, again, I didn't give you guys too huge of number sets here just because it saves some time when you're working on these things when I'm talking about them in the videos. But you go in there, stat, calc, one var stats, calculate, one more time, and you get, up to rounding, the standard deviation of about 2.8.